Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dave Dare and this is Dare RC Hobby Reviews. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thanks for watching. Today I'm going to show you how to set up the S136. It's a GPS brushless motor camera drone. It folds up and it comes with a nice carrying case. Keep everything nice and dust free and put away nicely. So first you want to unfold your drone. Has really nice rubber feet there to help you stick the landing. You want to charge your battery fully before you get started just by plugging in the included USB charging cable. It just plugs into your USB charger. So after you do that, you can plug the battery into the drone. Like so. If you want to use obstacle avoidance, that's this little unit here. So it has the contacts. You can just pop this little cover off and plug that in just like so. We'll go ahead and put that in there. Kind of squeeze on the sides of it when you're putting it in. Tight fit. There we go. It won't come out of there. Snaps in there good. Okay, so there's that. You'll have to add to charge the actual battery in the remote. Same cable right there on the side. So you just plug this into there and plug that into your wall socket there, or your USB charger pack. Okay, so now what you need to do is we'll put this to the side back in the case. We're going to power on the drone just by long pressing the button there, a little longer than that. And that signals you to let you know that it's ready to be bound to the remote, or bind. It's time for you to bind it with the remote. Here we go, just power on. It looks like this one you're going to go completely forward and then back. So up and down on the throttle stick. And it's got you locked in. Hi guys, let's learn the remote real quick. Okay, so you have, over here you have your throttle up and throttle down. It's for takeoff, and this is for landing. You have your right sideward flight, left sideward flight, forward flight, and backward flight. You have your phone adjustment here. Smaller phone, bigger phone. Your little handles, they fold up if you don't like it. You can keep them out. On top here we have your speed. Goes up to 3, then back this way to take it back down. Camera, short press to take a photo, long press to start the video. Long press to stop the video. Over here we have headless mode. Then you have your camera up and down. Back up. Pretty cool. Here you have your geomagnetic calibration, your gyro calibration. Unlock the button so it'll unlock the motors, just like so. Just let it go and it'll shut off on its own. You have on this side the power button, which this is your power indication light. The green light there is your GPS indication light. And the first one is your charge cable light, or your charging indicator light. And the third one I'll have to look at. And up top here we have a return to home. So the GPS button, if you want to fly in optical flow mode without the GPS, just long press the GPS button, just like so. And the green light will go off, and now you're in optical flow mode, like flying in the house or inside a building. Alright guys, I think that's pretty much the remote in a nutshell, so there you go. I hope that helps. Let's move on to the rest of the video. Calibrating the compass and the gyro on the S136 GPS brushless motor drone. Compass, gyro. Clockwise turn until you hear a beep. Camera down, clockwise turn until you hear a beep again. Compass is calibrated. Stabilized. Gyro calibration. Just hit the gyro button. Wait till the flashing stops. The gyro's calibrated. It's all set, ready to fly. Let's see. We can test this out. We're probably in GPS mode. So for this test, we're going to shut off the GPS by long pressing the GPS button. Right there, the green light went off. So now we should be able to unlock the motors and get them to spin. Let's test that out. Yep. So now, down on the throttle and hold it. I'll shut down. Okay, so now let me show you. If you were going to go back into GPS mode, then you're just going to long press that button again. Let me show you. Kick it back on, you'll get that green indicator light. Okay, I'm going to shut it back off. Same way. Alright, now let's get it hooked into the app, connect with that. And I'll show you how that's done. So what we're going to do is go into our phone's Wi-Fi. Get this pulled up for you here. There, it's HF GPS 5G. You're going to connect with that just by selecting that. And wait for a notification because it has no internet access. You just tie it into the camera. Alright, sounds like we're connected. So yeah, there's a notification. Just say yes to stay connected and then exit out of this. And the app is called RX Drone. You can find it on Google Play. It's RX Drone, D-R-O-N-E. Open that up. You get the welcome page, and it goes into this. It says RX Drone. There's no SD card on this version, so ignore that. Just hit Start Fly. You got settings in here you can check out. And then your gallery is right there at the bottom. So now we can see what the drone's seeing. Not much. Let me see. I can't raise the camera. Let's look at the box there. We got a little bit of visual of the box. Let's see what the drone's seeing. Okay, you can go in here. You can take your pictures, your video. Looks like you have an emergency stop, a return to home. You have a bunch of different settings like follow me and things like that will be in there. You unlock and lock the motors. You control it with the phone. I never use that. I always use my joysticks. But it does have that option. Totally up to you. And you can set your parameters in this app as well. So just check it all out and you'll get used to it. It's not that hard. You start hitting buttons and finding out what does what. Right here we go. We got calibration, switch cameras, as it does have a bottom camera. Use that to hold the altitude as well for your optical flow. Looks like it has VR mode, 180 flip. You can change your speeds in there. You have waypoints, multi-point, circle, follow, headless mode, gesture mode. You can add music to the videos, filter it. Looks like you control the camera in the app as well, up and down. And looks like panorama on there as well. And of course, right there is your return to home. And you can see you have your telemetry info right there. Over here you have your distance, your height. I think you can open up the map here too. Once you're in GPS mode, this is just something off right now, but it'll show you your actual location. And your GPS is locked in. Anyway, so show you how you take a snapshot just like that and start the video. Stop it the same way, and that'll record onto your phone. So remember that your photos and your video will be stored on your phone that you took when you were flying your drone. Well, there you have it, guys. I hope that helps you get started. Thanks for watching and have a great day. See you next time. Bye.